Hello students, today we are going to do 1.5 of the quadratic equations with one variables. Okay, so number 4, today we'll start with the number 4. Find m for which the two root of the quadratic equations 4x squared plus 4 in the bracket 3m minus 1 x plus m plus 7 is equal to 0 are the reciprocals to each other. So okay, so we are going to solve these questions. So as I wrote here, okay, so what we assume that let okay 1 roots of equations is alpha and others equations be 1 by alpha. So this we have done. So now there is one formula, okay, that is we apply with this formula, product of the root is equal to okay constant terms of equations. Okay, so equations just I have written in simple form, divided by coefficient of x square. So the product of the root we have assumed that the root of the equation is alpha and 1 by alpha. So product means multiply. So alpha 1 by alpha is equal, okay, the constant terms of the equation. The constant terms of the equation is this is will be the constant term. So constant term is m plus 7 divided by coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Here is coefficient of x is 4. So this way this will be cancelled, okay, and we have to multiply 1 to the 4 is equal to 4 is equal to m plus 7 will be there. So m plus 7 is equal to, or we can write m plus 7 is equal to 4, where m is equal to 4 minus 7. So m is equal to minus 3 is your answer. So hope you have understood this. Okay, so we will move to the next question number 5. So now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. If two root of the quadratic equations is equal to this are equals, then let us prove that b square plus is equal to a plus b. So we have to prove this, okay, b square is equal to a plus a with this, and here you see the roots are equals. Okay, so we have to solve this question. So as we know, the roots are equals, okay, in the question says, okay, as okay the roots are equal. So what we apply? We apply discriminant, okay. So we write here a is equal to b minus c, as you know, and b is equal to c minus a, and c is equal to a minus b. So with the help of this, so we have to solve this, okay. So as we know, therefore discriminant is equal to 0. And what is our discriminant? Minus b minus 4 ac is equal to 0, okay. Sorry for this, our b is here, okay. This is a formula of discriminant. So our b is c minus a whole square minus 4. A means b minus c and c means a minus b. So we have to solve this, okay. So how can we solve is this? So we put the formula a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus the 4 will remain same, so we'll multiply with b all a minus b, and with c a minus b, and the bracket is closed. So c square minus 2ac plus a square minus 4. So here will be AB minus B square minus A into C is equal to AC minus minus plus BC, okay, is equal to 0. So again what I'll do is that, okay, I'll open the bracket C square minus 2AC plus A square minus 4AB minus into minus plus 4B square minus into minus plus 4AC plus into minus minus 4 into BC is 4, BC is equal to 0. Now what I'll do is that C square minus 2AC plus A square plus is it here 4AC, 4AC I have brought down and plus 4B square and minus 4AB minus 4BC is equal to 0. So I have arranged this, okay. After arranging this, what can I do is that C square, okay, here and here AC is there, then plus 2AC that I have cancelled from here and plus into minus minus 2AC and here is 4AC, so it comes plus 4AC because 4AC is greater, so A square minus I can write this as, okay, 2B whole square, okay, and minus 4 I can take common from here and I'll write here A plus C is equal to 0. And as I have seen this, so now what I will do is that, okay, after doing this I'll put the formula that is A square plus C squares. I can write this, okay, as usual. So if you do, the formula will be create the same, sorry, A plus C whole square. I'll write this, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square, okay, minus 2B square, sorry, it should be plus because it is plus, so it will be plus, and this will be minus 2A plus C, and I can write this as 2B is equal to 0. Now just have a look. If I assume all this as A, this as B, and I assume this as A and this is B. Now there is one formula that we know, okay, so I can write this as A plus B plus, sorry, minus 2B, okay, in the second whole square. So what I can do is that A square minus 2AB plus B square, okay, so we can put the formula of this, and after that A plus C minus 2B is equal to 0. This 2 will come this side, then it will be like this, under 2, where A plus C minus 2B is equal to 0, okay, A plus C is equal to, if this will go this side, is 2B, or, okay, 2B is equal to A plus C is equal to proof. So we have proved that. In the questions it told us to prove this, so we have proved it. So hope you have understand this. Now we'll move to the next questions. So now what I'll do is that, okay, I'll write AD is equal to, this will go this side and it will plus BC. After that, okay, I'll write A, the B will come down. Okay, C is up, I'll write C up, and this come down. So it tells us to prove this. Okay, so we have proved. Okay, so look here, it said us to prove this ones. Yes or no? A by B is equal to C by C. So we have proved here A by B is equal to C by D. Okay. So now we will move to the next question, that is question number 7. Okay, in the question number 7, what it says, let us prove that, okay, the quadratic equation this has no real root. Now it said no real root. Okay, no real root. If this is also, if has no real root, then we can put the sign, okay, like this sense we have to put, okay, greater than less than. Okay, so we will put less than. So as the question said, it has no real root. Okay, so as the question said has no real root, so we can write here the equations has no real root. Okay, so now we have to follow the discriminant here. Okay, a is equal to, okay, 2a squares plus b squares, and b is equal to 2a plus b, and c is equal to 1. It is given us. Okay, so now therefore discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here our b is equal to 2 in the bracket a plus b, okay, whole square minus 4, okay, a means 2 a square plus b square, okay, into 1. Now what I'll, okay, sorry, it's just not equal. Okay, not equal, so it's not equal. So now what I'll do, I'll give this 2 here, 2 to the 4, here will be a plus b whole square minus 4 to the 8, okay, and bracket a square plus b squares is not equal to 0. Now 4, now I'll put the formula, okay, a square plus 2ab plus b squares, and here will be minus 8a squares minus 8b squares. Okay, it's not equal to 0. So now, okay, this will be my 4a squares plus 8ab plus 4b squares, and here is minus 8a square minus 8b squares is equal to 0. So it's not equal to 0. So I just put it again. Okay, look here, 4a square and 4a square. So okay, here is plus is minus, and what will be my minus 4a squares. Okay, and again you look here, 4b square and minus 8b square. So b square and b square. So what will be my 4b squares and plus 8ab. So what I can do is that I can take the common. I can take the common as minus 4 in the bracket a square plus b squares minus 8ab is, okay, is not equal to 0. Let's write like this. Again, okay, if this will be go down, anything with the 0 by minus 4 means always a 0, is remains always a 0. So here I will write a square minus b square, okay, sorry, plus, sorry, this will be my 2, okay, sorry, I've made a mistake. This will, and this will be minus 2ab, okay. And now I can apply the a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means a minus b whole squares, okay, is equal to not equal to 0, okay, is not equal to 0. So therefore, okay, so I can write, since a is not equal to b, that means a is not equal to a minus b, okay. So if you put any below, it won't be equal. Okay, so thank you, hope you have understands 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.